We are extremely excited to announce the release of the FASS Connect digital monitoring system. Now this kit is going to include an ECU that mounts under the hood that gets key on power and a ground. It includes our FASS Connect gauge, which can either be surface mounted with the provided cup, or as many of you might choose to do, mount it right in any 2 1/16 gauge pod. This is also going to include a pressure sensor, right, for your fuel pressure. So this basic kit is going to give you the ability to monitor fuel pressure, or truthfully any other pressure you want to monitor up to 100 psi. Along with all of this, you're also going to be provided with the FASS Connect app to monitor everything completely wirelessly from your phone. Now this unit, using the app, you'll be able to monitor obviously your fuel pressure. You're going to be able to monitor GPS speed. You're going to be able to monitor battery voltage, and then also a super slick feature we've built into this is we have 2 relay trigger output wires here. So you can utilize those with the FASS Connect app to say, if you want to use it to power your rock lights on, if you want to use it to power your FASS heater on, you can. And those 2 circuits can either be a key on power or normally off to where you have to manually power those on. Now for more information on this kit, to get yours today or to locate a dealer near you, check them out at fassride.com.